Hi everyone, let's look at two methods to tie the loop drawstring on gym shorts. Method 1. Cross the strings and form a basic half knot. Grasp both loops and treat them like shoelace ends and tie a basic shoelace knot. Tuck in to hide the knot. Untie like you would a shoelace. Method 2 is my preferred method. Cross strings and form a basic half knot. Leave one end short and tie a basic slip knot. Leave the slip end as the longest length. Tuck in to hide the knot. Untie by pulling the longest length. Here's another video you might be interested in.